Hi everyone, Tasha here for Paper Sweeties, and today I'm going to share with you how to create this super cute Easter themed Build-a-Gnome. This is a card that I had created with this cute stamp set. It's so sweet. It has the original Build-a-Gnome stamp set from Paper Sweeties, and then they have this spring add-on set. And the spring add-on set is included in the Paper Sweeties second quarter sweet kit. And this is just how the gnome is put together. So you would buy the Build-A-Gnome stamp set, and this add-on is to allow you to make an Easter and spring themed gnome. And I did use the included stencil in the second quarter sweet kit, and I made this one purple just to have a little bit of a different color combination. But again, I just like that purple and green color combination with the little flowers in the background. I just think it's super cute. So I pre-cut all of these little images out and colored them up. I used the coordinating die set. The coordinating die set is not included in the sweet kit, but it does help make it really easy to cut all of these little accessories and the little images out. I did color everything up to kind of go with the purple background. So the colors are purple, a pretty mint green, a nice pink, and then some grays. And then I'm going to need one piece of foam tape and then some liquid adhesive. These little gnomes come together so quickly and they're really cute on all sorts of projects. So to begin, I'm using some liquid adhesive, and I'm going to start by gluing the bottom half of the gnome directly onto the card. And this way it stays onto your card. I found that it was easier to have the base layer or the bottom half of the gnome glued directly onto your project instead of just having him have some foam on the bottom, because then we can build up with foam on the other layers, but it's nicely secured to your card. After I was done gluing on his bottom half, I moved on to the little Easter eggs. I thought it would just be easier just to attach those right away with the liquid adhesive. And I love the shape of these eggs. They're just the perfect size to fit on your projects. I colored and cut out 3 of them. I just thought they were so cute, so I used the same colors throughout my project and made them kind of like an ombre look. I really love how the blue, the pink, and the purple blend together. And do you see how quickly it is just to add these? Again, using those dies made it super easy to cut out, but this is a basic shape and you could easily cut them out with scissors as well. Once I was done adhering all of my little eggs, it was time to add some foam behind my layers and start assembling my cute little gnome. I started with the beard, and this again was colored up with just a few shades of gray Copic markers, and I just put one little square of foam tape behind the beard cutout, and then I'm just going to layer it directly onto that bottom half. You can position it anywhere you want to. I just kind of centered it. I thought that was a good location, but again, you can make it a little bit higher or a little bit lower, however you want. There's no right or wrong way to make your little gnome. I did cut out 2 of the little dots. There's 2 different sizes. These are actually the smaller ones, the smaller circles included in the Build-A-Gnome set. I think these would be more for cheeks, but I like them as little hands. They're just really small, and you can kind of fit them under the beard. So I colored them up in just a lighter skin tone shade, and then I'm using some foam tape on the second hand because I want to put that little carrot beneath the second hand so it looks like the little gnome is holding the carrot. So I cut my little foam into just a tiny little square, and then I'm going to adhere it directly onto the beard. And you can see it's Really easy to just attach these. You can kind of assemble them anywhere you want to. But again, since I want him holding the carrot, I wanted to make sure that you could see his little hand. But this would also be cute. You could just have it on the other side of his beard as well. Or you could have him holding the little Easter basket that's included in the set. That's super cute. So really, you can customize your gnome and the theme of the project any way you want to. So I'm using that same liquid adhesive to attach the little carrot, and I wanted it to be under the arm. So I just lifted the little round arm up just a little bit to make sure I had that carrot underneath. And I think the carrot is so sweet as well. He looks so adorable. Once I was done, I added his little hat. The Build-A-Gnome set includes 2 different hat stamps, but the Easter or spring, it's the add-on, the gnome add-on spring set, it has a hat as well, and that's the hat that I'm using. And it doesn't have any pattern in it, so you can always draw in little hearts or little flower designs. You can really customize it any way you want to. I just colored it in with, again, those same shades, the mint green and the pink. And then I'm just going to glue on the little nose. I was thinking this would be really cute to add little flower designs or use some of your little tiny accent stamps on your stamp sets and just kind of make your own pattern within that hat. It would be really cute. You could also use this for like maybe a winter themed card or even fall. The possibilities are really endless when there's no pattern in that open area. I really like that. And then I just easily position the little nose. The last part of this Build-A-Gnome is to add the little bunny ears. I think these bunny ears are super cute. In my original project, I did color the inside area with more of pink shades of marker, but on this one I used purple to kind of coordinate with the purple background and his purple outfit. And again, you can color it any way you want to, but I kind of like how that looks where it blends in with the background. And for this, I just put a little bit of liquid adhesive on the bottom half and then just position the ears on top of the little hat. I mean, these ears are adorable. I love bunny ears, and these are so cute. You could put these on any hat you want to. But I love them. I love the little bunny ears. It's probably my favorite part of the whole stamp set. And then lastly, I'm just adding the rest of the foam, that foam strip that I cut out, to the back of the Easter sentiment. I colored all those Easter letters with the same shades that I use with the gnome and the background. So again, everything coordinates together. And then I just positioned the little Easter on the top of the card. And then it looks like so. So these are my 2 projects using the Build-A-Gnome and then the Gnome add-on spring stamp set that's included in the Sweet Kit. And I hope you guys are inspired to create a fun little Easter or spring gnome. Have a great day, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.